Hello students, welcome to standard 10 subject mathematics, chapter number 14 statistics. This is lecture number 4. In first two lectures we have seen about the mean of the group data, and in third lecture we have seen about the mode of the group data. And now in this lecture we will see the median of the group data. Here we will see about median, the third central tendency of the group data. So as we recall something about the 9th standard, about understanding about grouped data, before we discuss about ungrouped data which we have the knowledge about in 9th standard we have seen. So in that we know that M median is denoted by M is equals to n plus 1 by truth observation if n is odd, and m equals to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation whole upon 2. It is called the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observation if n is even. These two formula in 9th standard we know, we have studied for ungrouped data to find median. So one example is taken on the basis of this only, the previous knowledge. Example is find the median of the data which gives the marks about 50 marks out of 50 obtained by 100 students in a test. So these two columns are given of the question, in that marks obtained given in the question, and this is the ascending order actually arranged. As you know that in 9th standard, before finding the median we have to arrange the observation in ascending order. So if the data is given in any way, in not in some order, so very first thing we have to understand here in the solution which I have written also. First we arrange the marks in ascending order. Ascending order, you know, from lower to higher to higher to higher. This way the observations are arranged. So in the question, this is the arrangement is not given actually. In the question, randomly the observations are given, but we have arranged it, and that way we have written. So directly I have written the arranged data by arranging. So marks are, you can see 20, 25, 28, 29, 33, 38, 42, 43. Arranged data is there, ascending order is there, and the number of students also accordingly written. That 20 marks obtained students are 6, 25 marks obtained students are 20, 28 marks obtained students, number of students are 24, 28 number of students have got 29 marks, 15 students have got 33 marks, 38 marks 4 students, 42 marks 2 students, and 43 marks 1 student. So the very first thing to find the median is these two will be given to you, the marks and the frequency, you can say. The observation and the frequency will be given to you. We have to make one more column extra, that is called cumulative frequency. This is frequency and this is called cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency is obtained from the frequency only. This is in simple, in short, Fi is denoted, this CFI is denoted. How to find cumulative frequency? Very simple. The frequencies, first frequency we have to write as it is. Then next to next we have to add. The 6 is as it is written. Then this 6 plus 20 will give 26, that we have to write. Then 26 plus 24, 50. 50 plus 28, 78. 78 plus 15, 93. 93 and 4, 97. 97 and 2, 99. 99 and 1, 100. This way you have to make cumulative frequency using the frequency. Now what is the next? This is the table we have formed. We have arranged, first of all we have arranged in ascending order. We have formed the table. In that two things will be given to you always. First two, either will be the observation and frequency, or class and the observation. Class and the frequency. From the frequency we have to make cumulative frequency. This is our work, extra work. The third column we have to make of cumulative frequency this way. Now the formula we will use to find median. Here we can see the total number of students are 100. So n equals to 100, and 100 is the number, even number. 100 is even number. So this formula will be applied. M equals to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation whole upon 2. n is 100 here we have. If you do 100 upon 2, it will be 50. So it is plus 1 is 51th observation and whole upon 2. Now how to see this 50th observation and 51st observation? These observations we have to see cumulative frequency. So the 50th observation in this cumulative frequency 50 is here. So that's why we have made the arrow here. 50 observation is this. Observation means we have to reach to the observation. This 50 is on that line. This is 24 is its frequency and its observation is 28. So this 50th observation, that means this 28 number observation that we have to note. So this is 28 plus 51st observation means after that 51 comes in this 78. So on that row we will go ahead and this is called 51st observation 29. So 28 plus 29 upon 2 will give 57 upon 2 will give, this is the m equals to median equals to 28.5. 28.5 is the median of the given data. So this way ungrouped data if it is given, we use these two, any one of the formula as per given number of n. If it is odd, we would have applied this formula, but it is even, so we have applied this formula and this will go. Now our heading is median of group data. The new in this class 10th standard we have median of grouped data. So as we have done in mode, first we were finding modal class. Here to find median, we have to find median class. How to find it? It is simply n by 2 class. Median class is n by 2 class. And finding the median class, we can use the median m equals to, the formula is L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. All the terms we will describe here. L equals to lower limit of median class, n equals to number of observations, and Cf is cumulative frequency of the preceding the median class. Preceding the median class means median class is there. We have to see before that class, and that's cumulative frequency we have to consider. We will see in the example. And f equals to frequency of median class, and h equals to, as you know, class size, and assume that class size to be equal. So we will see this formula in the example now, how to find median. So example 7 we have as a survey regarding the heights in centimeter of 51 girls of class 10 of a school was conducted and the data is obtained. Find the median of the height. So frequency distribution, these two are given in the question. Height in the centimeter and number of girls are given in the question. Two columns are given in the question. And in that which way the question is given, see. Height in centimeter less than 140, this is less than sign. In question, in the word given less than, and this is by symbolical we are written less than 140, 4 girls are there. Heights in centimeter means the number of girls whose heights are less than 140 centimeter are 4. Heights 145 and less than that are 11 girls. Less than 150, 29 girls. Less than 155, 40 girls. Less than 160, 46. Less than 165, 51 girls. So this way, less than type, this is called less than type frequency distribution is given. To find the median, we have to make it normal distribution. It is less than type, we have to make it normal. How to get normal class? From the less than, we have to make the class. And you can understand, less than 140, we don't know how much less. So less than 140, the first class is as it is written. Then, it is you can understand 140 less than that is 4, as it is 4. And the next 11 shows less than 145. Less than 145 heights of 11 girls total. And less than 140 heights are of 4 girls. So what will be between 140 and 145? Greater than 140 but less than 145. In less than 145 total 11. In less than 140 total 4. So between 140 and 145, how many girls? There's difference between these two. So that is the class we have started to make here. 140 to 145 is the difference of these two. 11 minus 4 is 7 I have done. Means to get the normal frequency from the less than, we have to subtract consecutively from the next. Okay, so 11 minus 4 is 7. Similarly, we will make the class again. Next class is 145 to 150, and similarly we have to subtract. We will take the difference of these two. 29 minus 11 is 18. The next class is 150 to 155, and the frequency will be 40 minus 29 is 11. The class next will be 155 to 160, and its frequency will be 46 minus 40 is 6. Next class is 160 to 165, and its frequency is 51 minus 46 is 5. So this way normal class we have obtained from this less than type, and normal frequency we have obtained from this type of frequency. So this is now normal question for us now, the class and the frequency. The next third column of cumulative frequency, that is sorted as CFI, we have to make, and as simple that we have used here. So 4 as 4, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 18 29, 29 plus 11 40, 40 plus 6 46, 46 and 5 51. This way we have the CFI. Now the all frequency distribution table we have prepared. Now all the work will be of the formula and simplification. So first we will find the median class. As we have seen, the median class is n by 2th class. For our case, n is 51 given, 51 total is given. So 51 by 2, simplifying it will be 25.5, class it will be 25.5. Where we have to see? Where comes 25.5 in CFI we have to see? This 4, 11, 29. 25.5 comes in this 29. In this 29 CFI, this number comes 25.5. So this cumulative frequency having 25.5, we have to consider the whole row here. So its median class will be on this row. Median class comes 145 to 150, that is called median class, 145 to 150. This is we got median class. Now we can apply the median formula, n equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon L into H. All the value you place here. L is, lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of median class is 145. So that we have placed plus. N by 2 is here we have solved and got 25.5 directly we have taken. Minus CF. CF is cumulative frequency of preceding the median class. Cumulative frequencies are here, and its class, median class is this, and its preceding class is this, and its cumulative frequency is 11. So we have made the small arrow here. In CF we have to take the preceding value of CF of the given. So here we have 11. This 11 we have to take as CF. So CF is 11 upon F. What is the frequency of median class? Median class 145 to 150, and its frequency is 18, and we have to take 18 into H, is class size, and class size is 145 to 150 is 5. So that 5 is placed. Now just the simplification. 145 as it is, 25.5 minus 11 will give you 14.5. 14.5 into 5 will give 72.5 upon 18 as it is. Now 72.5 divided by 18 and added up to 145, added to 145, it will give m equals to 149.03. This is the median we have. And what is the meaning of it? The median height of the girl, the median height we wanted. So the median is this. The median height of the girl is, it is in centimeter. So the answer is in centimeter here. The median height of the girl is 149.03 centimeter. This way, the complete answer we are giving using this formula, the median we have found. Next example 8 we have. The median of the data is 525. Here the median is given. Median is given. Find the value of x and y. The x and y value is missing here, and that we have to find. And the total frequency is 100 also given. So these two columns are given in the question, the class and the frequency. Classes are given 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700 to 800, 800, 900, 900,000. And their frequencies are given 2, 5, x, 12, 17, 20, y, 9, 7, 4. You can see the frequency x and y are unknown, and that is only asked here in the question. X and y value you have to find. and the median is given. So whatever the value is given, like median is given, so we will follow the steps of finding median only. So in finding median, you know that the class is given, fi is given, so one more column CFI we have to make. And how to make CFI, that you know. First frequency value 2 as 2, and then next are adding we get 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus x is 7 plus x, 7 plus x plus 12 is 7 plus 12 19 plus x, 19 plus x and 17, 19 plus 17 36 plus x, 36 plus x and 20 added. This will be 56 plus x, 56 plus x plus y will be 56 plus x plus y, 56 plus x plus y and 9 added. So 65 plus x plus y, 7 is added to it, 72 plus x plus y, 4 is added, 76 plus x plus y. And total, last total is 76 plus x plus y, so give the total frequency. So the total frequency is 76 plus x plus y, and it is 100 given also. So we can equate with the 100. So here we will have x plus y equals to 100 minus 76 will give 24. So x plus y equal to 24. We say this as result 1. Now here m is given, median is given 525, and the formula for m is, you know, m equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon n into x, that we have placed. Now place all the values. The given value of m 525 as it is here equals to L. L is the lower limit of the median class. How to get the median class? Now the question is here. As you know that 525 is the given median. So given median is there 525. You know that median will be always in the median class. This median 525 will suggest us the median class. Means we have to see this value in which class it comes. In 500 to 600 it comes 525. So this will suggest us the median class 500 to 600. So we have to make this row. This is the median class. This is the frequency of median class, and this will be the cumulative frequency of median class, and the CF of means cumulative frequency of preceding class is 36 plus x, that we needed as CF. Cumulative frequency of preceding class is 36 plus x. So all the value will be placed, which is indicated or suggested by the given value of n. So L is lower boundary of median class is 500 plus s plus n by 2 means 100 by 2 is 50 minus CF is preceding class cumulative frequency is 36 plus x, that we have placed, upon f is the frequency of median class is 20, that is placed, into h plus class size 500 to 600 is 100, that 100 is placed. Now just a simplification. Last 0 we can cancel, 2 and 10 will be cancelled by 2 5s are 10. And here we have 525 plus 500 on the right side. If I take 500 minus 525 minus 500 will be, and this multiplied by 5 will be down to this. So 525 minus 500 upon 5, this side equals, in the bracket what we have 50, and this, because of this minus sign will be changed inside, minus 36 and minus x. This 525 minus 500 will give 25 upon 5. 25 upon 5 will be 5. This is 5 we have written. Equals 50 minus 36 is 14 minus x. Now this minus x take on left, it will be plus x. 14 as it is, plus 5 take on right, minus 5. So x equal to 14 minus 5 will give x equals to 14 minus 5 is 9. So x equal to 9. Now this x equals to 9, put in the result 1 that we have obtained first. So in first number x plus y equal to 24. In place of x we will place 9. So 9 plus y equal to 24 implies y equals to 24 plus 9 will be on the right, minus 9. So y equal to 24 minus 9 will be 15. So y equals to 15 we have. So this way we have got both the values of x and y. X equals to 9 and y equals to 15 by following the steps in which we find the median. Whether the median is given, then also we have followed the same steps to get the missing frequency. So this way, if the missing frequency is given in any class actually, this is the median given, so we have followed the median finding steps. if suppose you are given the mean, so you have to follow the mean finding steps and you will get your missing frequencies. If you are given mode and missing frequencies, to find missing frequency you just follow the mode, by which way you are finding the mode, the steps you follow, you will get your missing frequency like this in median we have got. So this way all the type of questions of median also we have seen in examples. Now after this we have the exercise 14.3. All the median related questions are there in that. So your homework is to solve and complete the exercise 14.3. And this way we have seen all the three in our course central measures of central tendency of the data, that are median, that are the first one, mean, then mode, then this is the median we have seen. So all the three types of given central tendency we have seen in our course it is, and you are suggested to complete to 14.3 to get the more practice about all the three types. So in the next we will see the next lecture, the graphs will be there. So you will see the graphs in the next lecture. Thank you.